Hello, good evening,
Recording
everybody.
in progress.
I would like to ask you that how you know you are doing the project actually. See the present. Do you remember the presentation that you have seen that I have done it? I have made it for you at one day. So similar type of presentation I want you guys to create it for this project, which will be part of your portfolio. Is that okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so you will be doing that kind of portfolio. So initially, it is not just the model. Along with the model, actually, all the other things also will be there. Particularly the quantities and other things also you'll add it. Okay, you can add the finance chart also, like how the resources you are going to consume, how the resources are going to get recruited, the cash flows and other things also you can start adding. Okay. So I would like to ask abruptly, like if anybody want to share the model, and we'll have some discussion in the real time project. I mean, like whatever the phase is there. No problem. See, initially I would like to tell you that 2D will be created, 3D, then it is 4D, 5D simulations. Okay, this is simulations. These simulations you need to do it in Navisworks.
Okay.
You need to do it in Navisworks. Then you need to go for 6D. Okay, and then there is a 7D. At least for up to the 4D, 5D simulations, if you can do that, also is great. Forget about 6D. At least 4D, 5D. I know that the time is lacking. Another thing is the finance chart. You need to create the finance management charts. Then the contract also. Please create the contract. You can use the APMC for creation of the contract. Is that okay? We have already created the revised the contracts management actually in the APMC. So you please start working on that. Okay, you can deal with the CPWD initially, and that's how you can create the contract. So entire submission is required. So how the 2D means actually you will create the drawings. You know that you can create the drawings in this by using the sheets option. Okay, so after the 2D you need to go for 3D. 3D also the lighting arrangement, texture arrangement. It is, this is little bit about the uh, artistic part, but it is required also.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so that one is 2D and 3D, and then you go to the 4D 5D simulations.
So we have created this also.
Okay. Okay. Later on, please start working with the 4D 5D. Navisworks also you start, just see that if you can do it.
Yes, sir.
Okay. If your internship would have been like 6 months, I would have given like 40, 50 story building also to you guys. But it is only for 2 months, so the bigger project may not be able to possible for you to do it. Okay. So fine. I mean, doors, windows, estimation also you require to do. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Doors, windows, woodwork. Then tile work. How much is the flooring quantities? Tile work. See, RCC part actually I would suggest that you get with the thumb rules. You can take not 4, probably 5 kg per square foot. This you can take the steel quantities, because you know the size of the columns and all. Actually you can assume certain tentative sizes. You can give the slab thickness of 150 mm. Beam size you can take it as 230 by 600. Some beams you can take it as 230 by 450. Internal beams you can keep it as 150 by 300 also, and 150 by 450. These are secondary beams. Okay, these are secondary beams. You guys please note it down. These are primary beams. Primary beams means column to column. Column to column beams are there, which this is primary beam. Primary beam will come 230 by 600 and 230 by 450. Secondary beams, these are secondary beams, means only this is secondary beam. Okay, because column is here, column is here. Okay, so this is secondary beam. Secondary beams can be as less as 150 by 300 and 150 by 450. Understood? So flooring, tiling, RCC, from excavation to the final, actually all the quantity, QA, QS, what are the checklists that you are going to give, quality assurance and quantity surveying. Okay, so the students who are going to work, see the model everybody will do. Okay, whatever the model is Ankita has done, everybody will do the model separately, independently. But regarding QI, QS, or maybe the the 4D 5D simulations and other things, we want that to happen in the group wise. Is that okay? Because you will get some chance actually to work it out. You need some time. And let me see that which group is creating fantastic submissions. It is a guided session. It is not like we given some project now, you start working on it. We have given some pre-recorded or certain videos. It's not like that. I think Akram and Seshta, I think they are helping you daily. Okay, so if you need any kind of help, please let us know. You can assume certain things which are not there in the drawings, let's say as structural or maybe MEP stuff. Okay, since the time is not there, we cannot help you start with the so many other things actually. Otherwise, if you know that the presentation which I did, which those were having the mechanical, electrical, plumbing, structural, firefighting, many things were there. So currently we are focusing only Revit architecture part actually. So I would suggest you to work majorly on the project management part. Okay, what is the project planning? What is the baseline? How much how the leveling, resource leveling, how it can be done. Understood? So based on that, you please start working on it. Model actually everybody will do. Okay, yes, Dushyam, Jayant, Satya,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
yeah, Rashmi, everybody will do the model. Everybody need to be solo there, solo performance, not the group one. Modeling is solo, and the portfolio building will be there in the group. Is that okay? See, it is not just the solo or something I'm talking here actually. I just want you everybody to learn this tool. Is that okay, everyone? Nothing else, no
Yes.
other things. Please do not share the files. यार तुमको नहीं आता ये मेरा फाइल ले लो. Don't do that. If you are dear to somebody, you can give the kidney, no problem. But do not share the files, because I want you to be creator. You help him to create, him or her, but please do not share the files.
And so I've put it on a shaded tracing because the system lags very much there.
Now you will understand that laptop is also, you need to invest on laptop also. Good laptop, quality laptop. Yes or no?
Yes,
Currently
sir.
only architecture thing is you are working on. Later on, imagine that you are having the structural thing also, MEP thing also, your laptop will like this it will be. So try to, if you are in future, if you are buying the laptop, buy the excellent good one, okay, which will help you for a long run. Okay, graphic card also is required. Good graphic card, extremely good graphic card is required. So see, it is just the box. Okay, you need to make it more beautification. Is that
Yes,
okay?
sir.
There are many
Yes,
other
sir.
plugins are also there which would help you. I think Akram, please help them in creating the good ones. How to do that? There are so many other tools also where you can export the files and start working. Lumion and other softwares are also there. You need to make your portfolio excellent, mind blowing. Is that okay, everybody? And every portfolio will be different, because model will be similar, but the portfolio will be different. Okay, group wise portfolio will be different. Is that okay? And every particular person will be adding its own file, not the other file. Okay, let's say group 1 is there and 5 people are there. So 5 people's, the front view will be totally different. Different will be there. And yes, if they are working with the finance chart and all, actually all other things, because you guys are going to work together, so all other things will be same. But 3D elevation, what all the things you require, I'll just mention here. Ground floor plan, then typical floor plan, then you will have terrace floor plan. Okay, elevation, front elevation, side elevation, and 2 sections, and both the sections should be passing through the staircase, mandatory. Is that okay? Compulsorily both the stair, and you don't need to draw it, the software will draw it for you, but you need to draw, make proper sheets. Proper sheets you need to create. Okay, Akram will help you to understand how to create the sheets. These are the sheets will be created. Elevation and beautiful 3D views. You can give multiple 3D views, maybe top view, side view, and all. Actually depends upon your own skill. So 3D views you will be doing. You can do the 3D view of an individual flat also, individual floor. How to do that? So let's say, for example, imagine that Radhika's father wanted to buy this flat, for example. So it should be tempted, right? It should be tempted. Let's say I want to buy the flat, actually maybe in Kalyan, Dombivli, that area. So whatever the presentation skill will be like that, so that it should be tempted that, okay, I mean, very good planning, let's negotiate and think about buying. As a project manager, as a civil engineer, actually you should be helping the developer to sell the property also sometimes. Okay, that's how he will get the payment, and ultimately you will be get paid for. Am I right or wrong? Okay, so that's how actually you will start working all the things, and these are common. And another thing is contracts management, then facility management also. So the people who are working with the facility, please work on the facility management also. So in that case, what you need to do is, imagine that this building is for rental. So which flat numbers are there? Okay, and how many people are living? Maybe some flats actually are there in the PG. You can use the APMC. All people, please use the APMC software. Why? Because you will directly get the dashboards. It will take some more time, it's okay, but we have already given the license to everybody. You will get used to the certain different. See this APMC. Even though actually in today's world, if you go to any of the companies, you will be working either SAP, different softwares you will be working, correct? Do you want to go to the local companies or MNC top companies? So if you want to go for top companies, actually you will be working on the different softwares. So please start learning. Actually, since this is the software actually we are having, we can provide you. So you can create, see, for dashboard, if the dashboard is not working in the APMC, you can work with let's say you can create the dashboard with the Excel. Dashboard means the graphical representation. Your portfolio will look awesome, and please understand, your portfolio will be a part of your CV. Okay, so try to make it as beautiful as possible. Is that okay, everybody?
Yes.
So facility management, contracts management, QA, QS, quantity survey and all, actually then you will go to let's say there are many other areas are there. Please see that which is best of your interest. Somebody will be good into tendering system. So you can create the different tenders, actually, maybe lump sum tender, maybe item based tender, maybe labor contract, actually, that kind of. So depending upon your requirement and all, actually you start working on this. If somebody is good at interiors, is there anybody architect here? Please, Ankit, no. Those who have raised the hand, you can. Is there anybody architect? No architect? All are civil engineers?
Yes, sir. All are civil.
Okay.
No,
Then
sir, I'm an architect.
who is that?
But my emoji isn't working, so I'm so sorry about it.
No. Then I think Vindu, right?
So, Vidura.
Vidura, okay. So Vidura, I think in 6th group you are there, right?
Yes, sir.
So you can work on the interior part also.
Okay, sir.
So a couple of projects, actually probably you can work on the interior parts, because more of as an architect, you would be more interested into artistic parts of the structures, right? You will not be interested into the structural engineering or maybe other parts. Are you getting what I'm saying? So maybe
Yes.
the 6th group can work on the interior aesthetic parts of the designing of the elevations and maybe the interior part of this, actually how to do the project management of this entire building for the interior works. Okay, so how the canopies will be there, where the arrangement of the sofa, color theme will be, how it can be done and all actually. So okay, Akram and Sheshta will help you to do the interior designing also. First the interior, everything actually will be work on the 2D part, 2D designs. Without 2D you are not moving ahead to the 3D. Always remember, if 2D is wrong, 3D is must wrong. Do you agree? Yes. So 2D is very very important. Please create the 2D, get it approved from us, and then you go for the 3D. Okay, and try to finish all the works by end of next week. Is that okay? Try to work a little bit more on the weekends also. Anyway, everybody is working at home only. Okay, please work on that. And please, if there are any problems or something, you please ask on the dashboard my.e-construct.in. We'll see that how best we can resolve all the issues. Is there anybody in the group who is facing huge amount of problem in the installation only? I am not able to start, or maybe my laptop is not supporting. Is there anybody? Everybody would be able to install and start working, no problem. Okay, good, fantastic actually. So I'm sure that please put on the camera everybody, because anyway you guys are at home. You know, the person who is speaker also, it feels encouraging. Otherwise क्या laptop के सामने बड़बड़ा रहे, you know, like that it feels. Are you getting the grip? Like let's say 2 weeks back, or maybe 2-3 weeks back, how the Karim was there. Now there is a little confidence. Ajay, Ganesh, Indriani, some confidence level is getting boosted.
Yes, sir.
I may not be able to take all the names. There are 50 people are there, so I'm just picking a few of them. Is there improvement that we can do to help you to understand a little bit more? Anybody want to comment or something that how? Because sometimes it might be boring. Some people might be having certain doubts, and we are not able to face certain clear the doubts. Is that something some people are facing issues? Yeah. Yes, Mr. Datta, Raut, Rashmi, Dushyant.
No, sir.
All is well?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Sai Gayatri, all is well?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Are you guys learning?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. If there is any slightest possibility also to help you to increase the for example your learning curve, that also please let us know. See, there would be some issues will be there through the online. I hope everybody understands that. Okay, so but still through the online process, how we can help each other to learn, or maybe make the proper portfolio which will help you for your interview rounds also later on. See, basic aim is actually you will get the full experience for this particular project. That is my intention. Okay, so thank you so much for your time, everybody. Yeah, we'll see you later on. Yeah, by next weekend, is it possible for you to finish the presentation? A draft one, not the full one. I think model is ready, right, everybody?
No, sir.
No, okay. See, whatever the issues are there, please try to resolve it. Please put, some more time from your own side, okay? And 1 week is not a small period. Even if you go to any industry, you will not get that leisure time, believe me, okay? So let's put some quality time in the solving the issues and problems apart to this project. Anyway, this project will be added to your portfolio, okay? So please try to make it as sincerely as possible, okay? Let's target by next weekend. I mean the same time. Let's say for example, let's keep the date also. We'll start with next Friday, that is 4th of April. It will be the first draft. There will be a couple of more drafts also will be there depending upon the how do you present. Okay, Akram, Sheshta, please help them to finish it as soon as possible.
Yes, yes, sure.
Anyway, the MEP and the structure, many other details are not there, so it will be easy for them.
Okay, sir.
Okay, let's target it next week, 4th. Okay, your final date of in the e-construct, what is the date? April last week, right?
19.
Okay, so thank you very much everybody. All the best. Okay, see you in the next week.